up, y'all? It's your Miss Dev V. That's 2 V's and 2 E's, and welcome back to my channel. Y'all read the title of this video. We're gonna dive right into it. When I ordered this wig, it was way longer than I thought it was gonna be. And I personally think that I look better with short hair. Shorter is fun. So let's get right into the video.
Hello, beautiful. How are we feeling today? We're good? We're hanging in there? Stay positive.
Woo!
We're gonna live our best lives during this time.
Also,
and we're gonna learn some stuff about hair. Yes! Today, you're gonna learn how to cut your own hair at home properly. What you're gonna need is maybe a couple of clips. That would be nice. They can be any kind of clips. They don't need to be like this, but just clips.
I have them like this.
Hairdresser scissors. They're not expensive. You can get cheap ones, but at least they have the ability to cut hair. Using office scissors or kitchen scissors, it's not going to do it.
I don't know. You see how short that is? This is going to be all rough.
Also need a comb and some hair ties. These are just like the tiny little ones. You're going to need 4 of them. You can do big ones, you can do small ones, whatever you want to do. Just a hair tie in general will work just fine. And a brush would be great in general. You definitely should have one of these. Here is everything you need, and let's bring you my plan for today. Now that we have that all done, we have our hair blow dried, straightened, bone straight. Take your time with that, ladies, or gents, or anything.
This is good enough, right?
Let's get into the technical stuff. So we're gonna part our hair just like how we would part it normally. So if you part the side,
good thing this came pre-parted. Am I right, ladies?
Now that we have our part in the middle all set, you want to bring it all the way down to the back. Okay, so we have it parted like this, all the way down the back. Now that we have that, we're going to then section out each of those slices into 2 more sections. So we're going to go to the top of the head, and you're going to lay your comb on there, and you're going to find where the apex is. That's the high point of your head, the tallest part. And I'm going to take the comb from that apex and go right behind her ear all the way down. Right there. Right behind her ear. And those are our 2 sections on this side, and then you're going to repeat the same thing on the other side. So for now, I'm just going to throw a couple of clips in the back to keep them separated. Okay, done with step 1. Please make sure your hair is all brushed out or combed out. And let's start off with this front left section. I'm gonna pause it real quick and do the same thing on the side. I'm confident that I'm not gonna do that bad of a job where I'm not gonna be able to wear this, and then like honestly, if push comes to shove, it's also a wig and not my hair, so it's like, how mad can I really be? You're gonna kind of want to see how your hair falls and be like, look in the mirror and figure out where you want your hair to land. If it's like right here, just mark it with your fingers and remember that spot. We're gonna take one of our elastics, we're gonna comb it together in our hands, a little ponytail, right where we want our hair cut. Make sure you're not directing the hair forward like this, okay? You want it to be right on the shoulder. So if your shoulders were there, it'd be like this. She don't have no shoulders. She's like, I don't need shoulders. And I'm like, okay. And right about here, I'm going to put my elastic in, all right? You can put it up high, and then you can kind of drag it down. But make sure when you're putting it in, you're not lifting this section up or down, all right? You're not going like this. You're going like this, exactly how it should lay. Make sure to keep tension on that hair at all times. So now that we have that in there, to the best of our abilities, we're gonna take this and just bring it down. If you need to, you can just drag this down a little bit to exactly where you want to cut it. So let's do like that much hair. And it should lay nice and flat. Now that we have our front section done like that, let's move on to the back. It would be nice if you had a friend there to help, or a mother, or a father, or anything. Just anybody to the side. You're just gonna lay it down your back, all right? You see how I'm not directing it forward or back? It's just straight down. If you have a lot of hair, you can do more than 4 sections. That's totally fine. I'm gonna do just 4 sections to keep it simple today. And we're just gonna bring that down, slide it down, to meet the other one. If you don't have anybody to help you and you can't see the back of your head, you can comb it flat, take your hand, keep that tension on it just the way it's laying right now, and then follow it forward and put the tie on. And don't lose that tension because we want it to always lay flat in the back. So if it's going like this when you put it back, that's not right. It needs to lay perfectly flat. So we're gonna repeat those 2 steps on the other side, and I'll see you in a second.
I'll be back. This honestly doesn't look good, but I'm so like freaking lazy and just over this length. Like this piece is thinner, and then this back piece is thinner, and then this is thicker, and then this is thicker. But like the fact that my back and arms are hurting this much, I'm leaving it. Let's move on.
What else to do now is just put the comb across and just check if everything is straight. And in the front, don't worry if you have pieces coming off. That's totally fine. Now, on to the fun part. We're gonna start cutting our hair. Are you scared yet? Well, you shouldn't be, because you're in good hands with me, okay? We are gonna point cut. Now, point cutting is when you go up instead of across, or down but instead of across. We're not going across. None of this. What horizontal cutting is gonna do is give you a very sharp line. We're looking for a nice blended effect.
Yes,
if you're trying to do a very blunt haircut yourself at home, girl, just stop trying. It's not gonna happen. It's not. And we're gonna start point cutting. You can also point cut downward, upwards like this, or downwards like this. Okay? Doesn't matter.
Oh my god, here
it's the same either way. I'm gonna go like this because it's more natural for me. But I'm just gonna start cutting that hair. Just taking a little off at a time. There's our first cut. Congratulations!
He moves so fast.
Cut down on this and take some of the bulk out.
I'm gonna sweep.
Ooh, first cut down, first cut down. All right, let's do the back section now, the same exact way. So we're
just going straight across right here.
You can cut it just like this. God. Just don't pull the elastic. And just start cutting this.
Okay, I'm behind. So much hair. Okay, I'm just gonna continue the rest of my head. Oh my god, it's cute already. Now, dog. Okay. Oh, I've always wondered like what this is like. I watched so many of these videos. Last one. Y'all, my confidence in this is not very high. I almost just cut my finger off. It's fine.
Have all that done. We're gonna let these sections out, and hopefully everything is perfectly even. Hold on, look at that first section. Ah! Let's let the next section out, and we're gonna comb that out.
Oh my god.
It's actually coming out better than I expected. The last piece. And that is the first step. I literally, guys, have not done anything off camera.
It's so cute. It's perfect.
Exactly what you've seen.
Oh my, I freaking love it. Oh my god. Wait, it feels so much thicker now. Oh my gosh, I freaking love it. This length is so much better. Am I right? Oh, it's so uneven. Okay, let's look. Let's look. What does the back look like? I don't know. I can't really see. Is one side like significantly shorter? Or is it okay? I think it's okay. Oh my god, it's cute. Okay, this... Oh wait! Oh wait! This... Look at this compared to this. Oh. Yikes, that's not... noticeable. Bruh, I freaking love it. That's because I put too much in this front section, but it's fine. Oh my god, it's so cute. Do I want to go shorter? No. And I just want to skip to the portion where he does these like front framing pieces because I didn't cut these. This was the length that these already were, so now I want to make them shorter.
Lastly, you guys, you can always have a little bit of fun, and we can add some layering in the front if you so desire to. You can take about 1.5 inches out of the front, and while your hair is just laying flat, look in the mirror and point cut. Very so slightly, and work your way down the hair, making little stairs. Beautiful.
So I'm gonna be looking in the mirror. I'm just starting. I want it to be like, start the shortest one be at my chin. Oh my gosh, I did it! Okay, it's fine. Does that frame my face? I think it does.
That will be more evident when you have a nice blowout, but you can see cute little face framing. I'm gonna curl her hair a bit, make it a little wavy and fun, and I'll show you guys what the finished result is. I'll be right back. And here is the final result.
Okay, so I'm gonna go do the same thing, put some makeup on, do my hair, put on an outfit, make myself feel good today. So I'm gonna do that and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, that is the end of the video. If you couldn't tell, I freaking love it. Like, I love it. It's a little botched, I noticed. When I lift this up, like this piece is like super short in comparison to like the front. But that's only like when I bring it forward. When I bring it back, it looks okay. And especially like curling it, you can't really tell. But you guys, sis is so happy. I love this. This is literally the perfect length. This is like optimal hair goals length. Like if my hair could just, this is my goal now. Like I've fallen in love. Like I want my hair to be slightly layered on the top, like this length, healthy, like a little bit past my collarbone, you know. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also subscribe. Cool, thanks. This is how much hair I cut off.